Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Tuesday, March the 17th. Okay, so the markets have declined very strongly and you would remember recently I talked about the S&P and put some targets on it. Well, the targets were exceeded and that just means to me that it's high time we got a reversal. As you can see, that's my channel. The channel was violated, which means that my W wave here is about actually smaller than the Y wave. So I have to move this wave down. The note here, the letter. Okay. So if we are not already there, we're very close, and then we are going to have a bounce. Okay. And this bounce could be short term, and I have no idea what it's going to be. Okay, I have to be honest with you. When you have corrections like that, they could be anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my Fibonacci retracement here. Select Fibonacci retracement, and from the top here to the bottom, I set my Fibonacci retracements. Okay, so what do I expect? Well, usually at 38.2% is a possibility somewhere here as a sort of a V-shaped reversal there. It could be 61.8 or 50%. 50% and even 61.8%. And this comes rather close to the Ichimoku cloud. So yeah, we could have that bounce, or we could, yeah, unlikely that this will continue any lower. That's my expectation, that we would have a bounce from here, and then we would have another opportunity to set bearish trades. But right now, I would be focusing on taking my profits if I have them sitting there on the bearish trades, and see if I could find some worthwhile bullish trades, but always basing on a certain signal, a certain pattern that I would consider helpful. Okay, so let me just remove those. I have here 33.280. I think it's 31. Anyway, let's go to the monitor tab and here see for the year I have about $5,000 in profit. And so what to do? Well, take profits by eliminating those positions that you already made the profits. So let's go through them. Let's click here on P&L since the opening, and we have Procter & Gamble, PG, right there. So it bounced today rather strongly. And the stock is trading here at this end. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, it bounced really strongly, huh? I suppose because people think that in a situation that we're having right now, people are thinking of cleaning materials, cleaning wipes. I don't know exactly what, but something related to cleanliness and the viral thing. So I think it is a good idea to get out of this to whatever we have, because this trade would very quickly turn into a loser if I'm not careful. Oh, wait a minute. This is March the 20th. So we are about to expire on that one. Okay. So that means that with a couple of days, if I increase the days here, in 4 days, I would be making the maximum profit here. So that's a big situation here, big decision here. Do I wait 4 days and risk that I end up nothing, or do I take whatever I can? I think I take whatever I can. Okay, so let's close this. And I just quickly close the trade like that. Who else? PayPal, and here you have 106, 299 for the year. Let's take a look. And this one is way down here, and we have a week to go. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to be cautious, but I'm not going to be stupid. So let's say analyze closing, and let me just show you what I would do. Analyze trade. This is to sell. I'm selling the trade, and you can see that the width of the strikes is 120 minus 117. That's $3. Okay, so I'm gonna give away only 3 pennies, no more. Okay, so that means I would enter my trade at 2.97. Okay, the difference is 3. Okay, so I'm gonna get my credit. I'm gonna give only 3 cents away. Okay, and then I say create duplicate, but in this case I'm going to set my daily no, I'm going to say good until cancel. So somewhere between now and a week from Friday, the position will be closed. Okay, so that means I'm giving away 3 pennies in order to get my money back. Okay, that's all. That's what I'm doing here. Let's see what else. Adobe. Adobe is also perhaps a good time to close that too. Let's see. Adobe. Let's reset here to make sure that we have everything. Reset parameters. Yeah. So we are right here at 305, and this is due to expire. I have no worry that the stock will bounce from 307 to 355. 305 to 355, not very likely. So again, I could set a closing order, but I wouldn't give away any more than 3 cents. Okay, so my debit will be 3 cents. Okay, that's all I'm willing to give away, and this is likely to get filled. Who else? Yeah, those are the 3 ones that are profitable. And here we have a few negatives. I think this is where bullish trades that didn't work out. Eli Lilly is a bullish trade, Costco bearish trade, and Costco is a bearish trade. So let's look at Eli Lilly. Yeah. This is a really strong bounce. Obviously, some pharmaceuticals are doing great because it's a situation where healthcare products will be important, including prescription drugs. Would do well if they have products that would be antiviral agents, I guess. I don't know. They have many products, and I don't. It's the same with P&G. Okay, these are companies that are providing something that people will want very much into this pandemic situation. Costco is really doing well because people are going to get their toilet paper and things in big bulk. But in this case, we are in trouble here with this one because we are not making any profit yet. So I'm going to hold on to them, okay? Because there's plenty of time between now and April 17th for the market to continue to go down. So that's all. Let's look at the bullish trades. BSX goes to scientific, and the stock is trading at 28. Unfortunately, bad moment to get into a bullish trade. The market continued lower big time. Okay, what else? Raytheon also was a poor timing on my trade. This was a bullish trade, lost it. UNG, I think we still have time for it to recover. It did a nice bounce, but it came back down again. Okay, so I'm gonna let those go. Yeah, that's all there is to it. You might want to ask, how did I do with the Gini trades? Well, in the case of the Gini trades, I had historical gains. The performance of the paper trading account has done great. Okay, and I will make a special video for that once this situation is over, so it doesn't sound like I'm boasting at a time where people are having a hard time. But it will give you an indication of what you can do with the Gini trade. Not right now will be the wrong time to get into that because the volatility is really high. But I'm modifying my Gini trades to make more of profit-taking situations, selling puts against the Gini trades, transforming it into colors if I get assigned the stock. But I will discuss that at a different time. For now, let's just say that the verticals have been not so great. You need to really be nimble. You need to make your trades every day. It's a lot of effort, and the result, as you can see, is not that great, even though we should have had great results with this collapse of the markets. If you have a long put, would have always gives you better results than a vertical spread. Okay, so if you don't want to be constantly watching your trades, if you want to trade, let's say once a week, consider the Gini trade. And for that, I suggest you go to Put Call Gini and check it out. Go in as a visitor and see what we have to offer there. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.putcallgenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.